Now, this separation is hurting them more than they show. This is going to be a love tarot reading. So, namaskar everyone. My name is Neha Tankha. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. Before we begin, if this reading finds you today, comment I claim this below. And if you have been silently watching my readings but haven't subscribed yet, please take a second to subscribe and join our beautiful Luna family. Okay, now I'm just quickly laying out the cards so that I don't get disturbed in between while shuffling. The energy coming through immediately is not what I expected, by the way, guys, because somebody here is pretending to be okay. Okay, somebody is. They are functioning, they are showing up, they are smiling when people see them, they are acting like life is moving forward, but spirit keeps showing me a mask here because underneath that mask there is pain and there is also healing. And the title of this reading could not be more accurate, actually. So this separation is hurting them far more than they have allowed anyone to see. In fact, for some of you, the person on your mind has become very good at hiding their emotions. Okay, so good that even their closest friends don't fully understand what they are carrying. But today, we are going beneath the surface. We are looking at what they don't see and what they don't show, and why this separation has affected them much more deeply than anyone could realize here. I can't tell you guys the cards that are coming up. So stay with me because the cards are already revealing something very powerful right now. Okay. Now I'm going to start with your current energies. Okay. So, my beautiful soul, the first thing I want to talk about is you. Okay. Because you are here watching this. Because before we dive into their energy, Spirit wants to acknowledge yours. I feel you are literally standing at crossroad, emotionally exhausted, the kind that comes from carrying questions every single day, the kind that comes from wondering whether somebody misses you, whether somebody cares, whether somebody thinks about you. Some of you have tried to move on, some of you have told yourselves that you are done waiting, and yet every now and then their name crosses your mind. Okay, their name crosses your mind, a memory returns, a song reminds you, and suddenly you are right back in those feelings again. Spirit is saying don't judge yourself for that at all, because this connection mattered. This connection wasn't random, this wasn't insignificant, is what I see. This touched your heart very deeply, very, very deeply, and that's why healing hasn't been simple for you. Four of Wands and the Lovers. I need everyone in no contact to pay attention right now if you are in a no contact or separation situation, because the card that just came out is no doubt shocking. If you're currently in separation, just comment hype below and hype this particular video, because this card appears when somebody is trying desperately to appear unaffected while secretly struggling emotionally. Okay, while secretly struggling emotionally over here. Comment if this reading resonates, because this energy is becoming incredibly specific right now with what I'm about to tell you. What they are showing the world right now, okay, what they are showing the world right now, this person wants people to believe they are fine by acting cold. They want people to believe they have accepted what happened. They want people to believe they are moving on forward. But here's the interesting thing here, the cards aren't showing peace. The cards are showing performance, and those are two completely different things. They are telling themselves they are okay. They are trying to convince themselves they are okay. But spirit keeps showing me somebody who still checks memories, still revisits old conversations, still compares new experiences to the connection they had with you. And no matter how much they try to distract themselves, something keeps bringing them back to you. If you ask me why this separation hurts them, the reason this separation hurts them so much is because they are finally seeing things differently. When you are when you were present, they may have taken certain things for granted. Your consistency, your affection, your support, your understanding, your energy. But separation creates perspective. Distance creates clarity, and now they are recognizing things they didn't fully appreciate before. I'm hearing, I didn't realize how important they were. I thought they I thought they would always be another chance. There will always be another chance, and I thought I have more time. And that's where some of this pain is coming from, is what I feel. By the way, if you have been watching my readings regularly and somehow haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. I notice so many beautiful souls return to these readings every week but don't realize they are not subscribed. So check that button and become part of our Luna family. Okay? Sorry guys, I haven't been keeping well. What they are not telling you, because I feel hidden things here as well. There are feelings here they haven't expressed, is what I feel. They are hiding behind. There are words that they haven't spoken. Okay? The lovers. They haven't been completely true to you. For many of you, this person has cried in private, is what I see. They want to come forward. For others, they have experienced moments where your absence suddenly hit them. A photograph, a place, a memory, a song, something seemingly, small, triggered a huge wave of emotion. And suddenly they were reminded that you are not there anymore. That realization keeps appearing throughout these cards, is what I see right now. Literally. Hmm. So before I move forward here, YouTube membership is currently open. Members receive early access to many of my readings before they are released publicly. All right, so go ahead, subscribe to my membership as well. Now, moving on, what is happening behind the scene? What you don't know and you are not aware of. I don't feel this person is emotionally disconnected from you. They are rather frustrated. Quite the opposite. I feel they are trying to understand what they are feeling. For some of you, they are checking social media. For others, they are asking about you indirectly, is also a possibility, because I see so many people here. People. And for many of you, they are thinking about communication much more than you realize here. And I keep hearing, should I reach out? What would I even say? Would they still want to hear me? Things like that. These questions actually keep repeating. These questions keep repeating in my mind again and again. And for my India family, don't forget that Luna the Moon Tarot Hindi is also available. And if Hindi isn't your first language, YouTube auto translation can often help you enjoy the readings in your own language. Okay, in your own language. Okay, so if we talk about what is going to happen in the future, the upcoming developments, what I see, okay, I want to talk about where this energy is moving, okay, first, because this is where hope begins to appear here. I see emotional walls awakening, weakening. I see reflection increasing in this person. I see somebody becoming more honest with themselves. And once somebody becomes honest with themselves, they usually become more honest with others too, is what I see. That is why communication energy is appearing, not necessarily overnight, not necessarily tomorrow, but I do see movement. I do see fast paced movement with the Knight of Wands card. And the Spirit's message for you, what I feel and what I hear right now, Spirit wants you to stop measuring your worth by somebody else's action. Your value did not decrease because somebody became confused. Your value did not disappear because somebody pulled away. Your heart remains beautiful, your love remains meaningful, and your future remains open. So don't put your life on hold for sure. That's the message. So keep growing, keep healing, keep choosing yourself every time. And what I feel, the energy, the final energy here I see is emotional truth, not avoidance, not denial, not pretending. I see truth. And that is significant because today's reading began with somebody hiding their pain, but it ends with somebody becoming unable to hide it any longer. The separation has changed them, is what I see. The separation has taught them. And for many of you, it is leading them towards a realization that they can no longer ignore. Okay, this is quite a powerful and strong reading, right? So thank you so much for being here and sharing your energy with me today. Again, I am not keeping well, guys, so please bear with me if I'm inconsistent. And if this reading resonated, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me below where you are watching from and what part of this reading resonated the most. For personal tarot readings, white magic candle work, and guidance session, all information can be found in the description box below. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram as well. YouTube membership is also open for early access to future readings. Take care of your beautiful heart, guys. This is Luna the Moon Tarot reminding you that love always returns where it truly, 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 truly belongs. And I'm so sorry, I'm already feeling very heavy. I haven't recovered, guys. So, again, please be patient with me for few more days. I know you have been, but I'm requesting you, please be patient with me for a few more days. I'm trying to recover, I'm trying to heal. So I'll be back like before. So just be patient with me. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.